6:41 right now. Justice for a teacher killed nearly 5 years ago is out of reach this morning.
The case against her accused killer is dismissed because Ryan Stanish was shot to death by Bexar County deputies Saturday. Sheriff Javier Salazar says the 32-year-old attacked family members and one of his deputies, which forced them to use legal force.
Marvin Hurst here to tell us what that means for the case of Dorinda Ma.
Yeah, let me tell you, this is a tragic case, and some of these details are going to be very disturbing for you. Just want to warn you up front. Stanish was charged with manslaughter in Ma's death. Court records show the case got dismissed yesterday because there is no living suspect to take to trial. An arrest affidavit says on December 14, 2018, Converse police were called to Northeast Methodist Hospital, where 25-year-old Ma was practically lifeless. Emergency room doctors were able to get her pulse back up in her unresponsive body. Now, investigators say the educator's body was covered in bruises. I'm talking about her eyes, torso, legs, and arm. The arrest document says that she had bleeding on the brain and so much pressure had been placed on her body that it had damaged her windpipe. Stanish told investigators that the injuries were the result of, quote, rough sex, and he didn't mean to hurt her. He got arrested initially for assault, a serious bodily injury charges. Meantime, the young teacher was placed on life support as her organs were harvested for donation. She died the very next day. Stanish's charges were upgraded to murder. That charge got changed to manslaughter. He was even arrested for assault again in June 2021, which is a violation of his bond conditions. So here's the hard truth. After nearly 5 years of legal wranglings, Stanish never stood trial for Ma's death. He died in that confrontation with Bexar County deputies over the weekend in a family assault case. In that incident, Stanish was unsuccessfully tased. He even cut a deputy's face before being shot and killed at the scene. It happened in the 8700 block of Versant Bluff early Saturday morning. We reached out to the DA's office around 2:30 yesterday afternoon. We're hoping to hear back soon.